Welcome everyone, I'm Annette. Today I'm showing you how I achieve this full face of makeup using only MAC products. I would love for you to provide me with your feedback in the comments below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin. To moisturize the skin, I'm going to use the MAC Time Check Cream. To apply it, I'm using the MAC 187 brush. This is a moisturizer and primer in one. It blurs fine lines and shrink pores. It's very lightweight and it absorbs very fast into the skin. Next, I'm going to use MAC Studio Radiance 24-Hour Luminous Lift Concealer, and I'm going over the areas where I have spots and hyperpigmentation just to even it out. To blend out the concealer, I'm using MAC 27S concealer brush, a small buffing brush. The bristles are densely packed. It allows you to buff the concealer into the skin. This is a radiant, hydrating concealer that provides you with 24-hour wear. It's very lightweight and it blends easily into the skin. Next, I'm going to apply MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powdered Foundation. Applying 2 pumps using MAC 170 foundation brush. The shade I'm using is NC44. This is a luminous foundation that is packed with skincare ingredients. In with another layer of the Studio Radiance concealer to highlight right on the cheek. There. And blend it out quickly with my beauty blender. Next, I'm going to set the under eyes with MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. This is in the shade C5. If you have texture under the eyes, this is a great powder to use before you go in with your translucent powder. It gives coverage as well as set your concealer and brighten. Then I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. This is in the shade C6. And I'm just going to take my powder brush and just apply it everywhere else. And apply it to the outer section of the face. Next, I'm going to define my brows using MAC Eyebrow Styler. This is in the shade Stud. So I'm brushing it up with the spoolie and just lightly define it. I usually use spike, but I can also use stud as well. And if it's too dark, I just lightly apply a little powder over it. And to set the brow hair in place, I'm using MAC Spike Eyebrow Gel. Using my MAC angled brush, I'm just going to take a lighter shade concealer and highlight the brow bone. And blend it out. Moving on to the eyes, to prime my eyelid, I'm using MAC Soft Ochre Eyeshadow Primer. To prime my eyelid. Applying it all over the eyelid and blend out the edges. You can wear this alone or you can go in with eyeshadow. I'm thinking I might just blend it out and let it sit in the eye. I actually have an eye look in mind, so let's see what happens. Once it's blended, now we're going to go in with eyeshadow. I'm wondering if I should leave it on its own or go in with eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with eyeshadow. I'm going to apply MAC Embark eyeshadow using MAC 224S brush. Going in with a small amount and let me deepen it. Apply it at the outer section first, because I'm going for a smoky look. So I'm just building up the eyeshadow in the outer section and then blend it into the crease. Blending it using back and forth motion. I'm not swirling it, I'm just back and forth because I want it to stay in the crease. I don't want it to get up to the brow bone. I want to keep the brow bone highlighted and lifted. Next, I'm going to take MAC 2217S brush just without any product on it and just go over the edges for a clean blend, just to smooth out everything, ensuring that it's well blended. It's always good to use a clean eyeshadow brush, clean fluffy eyeshadow brush without any product on it, to finish blending out the crease, just to ensure that it's properly blended. Next, I'm going to apply MAC Expensive Pink over my eyelid. This is a warm tone coral eyeshadow. To apply it, I'm using MAC Flat eyeshadow brush. I'm not sure what number is this one. I will add it below on the screen. Before I dip it into the shadow, I'm going to spray it with MAC Fix Plus, and this will intensify the pigment and make it pop a little more. You can use this flat brush to carve out your eyeshadow as well as to do a cut crease look. And then I'm going to go in with my blending brush and just soften the edges and blend out where the dark and the pink shimmery shadow meet with the first blending brush. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with MAC Brush Black Eyeliner. And this eyeliner has a very fine point that allows you to draw a detailed line. And I'm going to do a subtle wing. And just flick it right here and take it towards the center. And just fill it in. Next, I'm going to use MAC Stack Mascara. I have two. One is for the bottom lashes and one is for the top lashes. The stack is for the top lashes and the micro brush one is for the bottom lashes. Before I apply mascara on the bottom lashes, I'm going to first line my eyes using MAC Black Eyeliner Pencil. Then I'm going to go in MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Give Me Sun and use a smudge brush to smudge the under eye area right here. This is going to set the liner. And I'm going back in with my C5 powder just to brighten the under eye with another layer. And I'm just going to hydrate the skin a little with MAC Fix Plus. So I went ahead and add lashes. Now I'm going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes. And I'm going to complete the look. I'm going to add bronzer. Next, I'm going to use some MAC Give Me Sun to add a little warmth to the skin. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and go down the sides of the nose, the side of the bridge of the nose. Next, I'm going to go in with my most purchased and favorite blush from MAC. This is MAC Peaches blush, and when it comes to this blush, I always go in with a generous amount. I love this blush. And if you find that you have applied too much, you can always go back in with your powder brush and soften the edges. I just love this blush. So let's do that. I'm just going to soften the edges with this powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite highlighter, MAC Oh Darling highlighter. It's broken. I love this highlighter. It has a golden shimmery color. Applying it at the side of the forehead as well. And I also like to place it at the tip of the nose, the chin, just a little bit. Moving on to the lips. To line my lips, I'm going to use MAC. So I'm using MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And I'm pairing it with, I have two lipsticks from the MAC Nude collection. I have Fleshpot and Cool Teddy. Let's try Fleshpot first and see how it looks. So this is Fleshpot paired with MAC Chestnut. Let's go over the line with Plum Lip Liner. This is a purple undertone, deep purple undertone lip liner. So let's mix both. Reapply the lipstick and see. It could work. The next one that I'm going to try is Cool Teddy. So I would like you to tell me which lip combo you prefer with this look, whether it's Cool Teddy or Fleshpot. So let's wipe this off and go in with Cool Teddy. Pairing Cool Teddy with Chestnut Lip Liner. I'm going to slightly line it with Plum. And let's apply Cool Teddy. I think I prefer it with Cool Teddy. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Now let's set everything with MAC Fix Plus Stay Over. And this is the final look. Let me know which product was your favorite in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.